Don't worry about failure. You only have to be right once. But the question is, can everyone conquer over failure or its fear? Here is the dynamic business duo who developed a rewards-based marketing solution for SMEs. But how did their path-breaking idea become a hit? Likewise, this woman entrepreneur in her early 20s worked across agriculture and textile supply chain and produced natural alternative materials. Want to know who is behind her success story? The aircraft of a business venture can take flight with a unique idea and an entrepreneur as its pilot. But what it also requires is a perfect runway to take off, which is GUSEC, Gujarat University Startup and Entrepreneurship Council. GUSEC is Gujarat University's flagship and India's leading startup incubator and support system started in 2016. Where Gujarat is home to youngsters who have shown the grit to dream and accomplish, GUSEC's mission is to convert 1% university students into innovators and entrepreneurs by providing the right ecosystem. GUSEC has incubated a total of 216 startups, created 666 jobs by startups, and consulted 1,845 ideas. The average comes to a whopping 65 applications, 166 jobs, and 462 ideas in a year. Apart from this, it also offers on-ground support on mentorship, funding, network, and resources. What makes GUSEC stand out is that it encourages students to be job creators and not job seekers. But the question is, how?
So when you see this many people working towards their goal and try to achieve what they want to do, it also motivates me a lot. GUSEC provides co-working space for more than 300 people. And did I tell you the best part? GUSEC is open every day 15 hours a day. So it's a lot more than any venture could ask for.
All my meetings with the client happens at these meeting rooms. If you see the meeting rooms, the vibes and the ambience of the meeting room really leaves a lasting impression on my client. The meeting rooms are so well lit and spacious that it really saves a lot of time, money and energy.
Apart from co-working and meeting spaces, GUSEC startups can have access to supercomputers and also all the computer labs within the campus. The university also takes pride in its most advanced forensic labs. These labs have sophisticated methods applied on state-of-the-art equipment in accordance with international standards.
GUSEC has a Fab Lab, where startups work on their products and develop them. But before that, my ideas are prototyped in latest technologies like 3D printers.
The startups at GUSEC can also use the audiovisual facilities at EMMRC. It has a high-end video production setup with the latest cameras, lights and editing suites. Keeping pace with the ever-changing trends in audio production technology, it also has its own radio broadcasting station. Once at GUSEC, everything seems to be a call away.
So what perfectly matched our requirements was the technological platform and softwares at GUSEC. So we have used multiple softwares like Animaker, Bytable, Adobe Photoshop, Canva and whatnot. So it helped us like anything.
Startups can also have access to the largest and the oldest physical library in the state, readily available for their research needs.
Sometimes you need a perfect environment to pitch and crack a deal with an investor. And that environment has to be very official. And for me, the GUSEC Startup Boardroom is exactly like that. It's a perfect startup deal cracker.
Gujarat University has various meetup spaces for GUSEC startups. For indoors, it has technologically advanced smart classrooms for events like expert lectures. It also has in-house halls for seminars or similar gatherings. For outdoors, university lawns and gardens are perfect for brainstorming sessions and informal get-togethers, while for more formal large-scale events like workshops, demonstrations or conventions, there is an amphitheatre.
I was launching my augmented reality feature and I was worried about its venue. And then GUSEC team reminded me of Senate Hall. It is one of the best auditoriums of the city and it was available to us because we are GUSEC startup founders. And with that, our event was not just smooth, but also successful.
Talking about the auditoriums, some of these spaces are extremely advanced, like the summit room in the botany department, which is equipped with a conferencing system, whereas the conference hall at the forensic department is startups' go-to event space. Most of these are cost-free, because a startup always has limited funds to start with.
It is almost impossible to allocate these funds for the ancillary overheads. And I tell you, these trivial things, how much ever trivial they seem, they are recurring costs and they matter the most. From the business amenities that GeoSec provides, my favorite are the pantry, high-speed internet, and coffee.
GeoSec has specially designed programs that cater to students, startups, and applicants. GeoSec HerStart offers mentor sessions for women entrepreneurs to claim their place in the 3 months pre-incubation program. Other services offered by GeoSec are funding, soft infrastructure, mentorship and guidance, additional support, events and programs. Similarly, there are in-house meetings in the forms of dockenings and startup meets that happen regularly. GeoSec is recognized and funded as a Nidhi Technology Business Incubator. It is the implementing body for the Student Startup and Innovation Policy of Gujarat and is also a nodal institution for disbursing Startup Gujarat grants. So whether it is the sibling duo Pareen and Preet's startup called Relo, or Shikha's business idea behind AltMat, or for that matter, more than 200 other such success stories, GeoSec has filled the vital gap for these startups. Right from infrastructure to amenities, networking to mentorship, pre-incubation support to investor funding, GeoSec has been a perfect Kickstarter for aspiring innovators and entrepreneurs. GeoSec, the wind beneath the wings of many dreams that took flight. GeoSec.